how to take front license plate off. We in Alabama, so we don't need that. All right, let's get up out there and see what it's looking like. It's easier to clear the front of the truck now with that other piece gone. So, all right, so this is the back side of the front license plate holder. So that looks like where the screws go into. Okay, so like it's just some tabs that you could just push in and push out. Yeah, that's simple. The tabs that are on this side. Whew. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, okay. It's not bad. It's not that dirty, but it doesn't matter. I'm getting ready to wash it anyway. And it's not, I don't think it's faded up under there, but we'll see after we clean it. Man, that looks a whole lot better too. I've seen people put light bars right there, but I don't know. I think I'd rather have my light bar up top. I don't know. Let's see.